Hello everybody, my name is Ched. I'm a software developer working in projects mostly in JavaScript, and I've got a few projects that I'm focusing on right now. Unbox Deals is a website I launched in 2023 which shows Amazon warehouse deals on electronics and tech. Users can watch for price changes and be alerted when a product reaches a certain price. Right now it's in beta, but I want to bring it to everyone in 2024. Trendlog.app is a POC I built to track personal data based on tags. I've been using it for expenses and fitness and hours spent on projects and more. It takes a list of tags and parses them for data such as numbers, dollar amount, and elapsed time. I'd like to convert it to a mobile-first PWA with Framework 7. Finally, I'm trying to move all my Flickr content to a self-hosted Directus install. This is a part of my Mega API, which will host data and some backend services. You can watch and chat live on Twitch, or if you want to watch later, check out my YouTube channel. Either way, I'm glad to have you. Thanks for coming by.